7 warning signs of a toxic relationship. In this video, I'll show you also 7 steps to save your relationship. Welcome to Lifestyle Therapy channel. Stay tuned. Number 1. Your partner is constantly stonewalling you. Partners need to talk about a lot of important things in relationships, not just whether to get sushi or pizza for takeout, or what to watch on Netflix. If your partner flat out refuses to talk about important relationship topics, like when to have a baby, or buy a home, you may be in a toxic relationship. When it is not possible to discuss the issues in the relationship, there's a huge problem. If you or your partner refuses to fix problems, you could be fostering a potentially toxic relationship. Number 2. Criticism and contempt. No one is perfect, and the closer you become with someone, the more conspicuous his or her imperfections will become. There is nothing wrong with criticism that comes from a positive place. When criticism is used as a channel to express contempt or disdain for someone else, it can make the other person feel unvalued and worthless. It's hard for a relationship to come back from that. Number 3. You avoid saying what you need, because there's just no point. We all have important needs in relationships. Some of the big ones are connection, validation, appreciation, love, affection. When those needs are mocked or ignored, the emptiness of that unmet need will clamor like an old church bell. If your attempts to talk about what you need end in a fight, or another empty promise, accusations of neediness, insecurity, jealousy or madness, you'll either bury the need, or resent that it keeps being overlooked. Either way, it's toxic. Number 4. You never feel good enough. You feel like nothing you ever do is quite right, and are constantly trying to prove your worth. You become addicted to his or her validation. Whenever you do something, and it generates any sort of approval from him or her, you feel relieved, and it gives you just enough rope to hang on to. You try even harder to get more of that feeling, and feel like a failure when it doesn't come. No matter how hard you try, you never feel like you're enough, or like you're doing things right. You live in a constant state of unease, of second-guessing yourself, of trying to be better and good enough. Number 5. They don't make room for you to grow. In fact, people change over time. We learn new things about ourselves and life, and our dreams and goals, and even opinions shift. That's okay. And it's important to be with someone who's both willing to accept those changes and grow too. In a toxic relationship, your partner will try to hold you back, and hold your personal growth against you. Don't let him or her leave and grow on instead. Toxic relationships are ones in which a partner feels threatened, or insecure about your hobbies and interests. Number 6. You constantly keeping score. Relationships shouldn't feel like a game of basketball, where each person is keeping track of how many times they've done something good or even something bad. We all fall victim to this at times, but a relationship that is consumed by keeping score is toxic. Whether you and your partner constantly highlight one another's faults, or you find yourself reciting your resume of good deeds, it's a sign that you've turned against each other. Number 7. You've been lied to. Little white lies aren't always a bad thing, especially when they're told to protect someone you care about. But if you catch a romantic partner in a lie, it's important to look at that person's motivations. Was in to engage in some behavior they know you wouldn't be on board with or supportive of. That would be a really scary place to be, because it's a strategy they might continue to use, no matter what the reason. Make it clear that dishonesty won't be tolerated in your relationship, especially if you've noticed a pattern that's likely to keep repeating. Number 1. Make the time. One of the biggest signs that your relationship is suffering is when you and your loved one just don't spend any time together. To save your relationship, you need to actively carve out that time to spend with the other person. Change your plans, so you can meet your significant other for a drink in the evening, or drive to her or his office for an impromptu lunch date. Even just calling to catch up when you're apart for the day will cheer you both up, and give your relationship a boost. Number 2, stop playing games. Many experts will tell you to play power games to win back the love in your relationship, or to reignite the spark. Don't do it. If you purposely ignore your partner, or intentionally act cold and distant, you are playing a game. And while this sort of behavior may lead to increased attention from a partner for a short while, it will not have a long-lasting effect on your relationship. If you frequently act rude or mean, ignore your partner, or act cold and distant, your partner will eventually lose interest in you. Number 3, do something special together. Perhaps you two have a favorite restaurant you haven't visited in ages, or you can return to the place where you first fell in love. Being in a physical space where you have powerful memories of strong attachment can reignite passion. Or, you can try something you've never tried before. The excitement of something new produces serotonin and dopamine in our brains. It doesn't have to be something extraordinary, even sitting on a park bench, watching the children play as you hold hands, can be magical if love exists. The important thing is that you stop talking about taking that vacation, or trying that new spot, and follow through on your intention to reconnect together. Number 4, you need to focus more on your partner's happiness than your own. True love means loving someone so much that the only way you can be happy is by making your partner happy. If you want your relationship to work, you need to have this kind of love. This love may seem one-sided to you, but it's not. When you focus on your lover's happiness, your lover should be focusing on yours. You have to be each other's best friends, confidants, advisors and biggest fans. Number 5, forgive each other. To forgive is to detach from the bitterness, anger, and animosity holding you back from progress with your partner. Forgo the negative emotions keeping you from true forgiveness. Remind yourself that whatever happened, and that there is no reason to drag the past into your future. Lingering on hurtful memories only perpetuates them. Be mindful that forgiveness is a process, not a result, so perform small, daily acts that are reflective of your intent to pardon. Number 6, take the initiative. A lot of relationships break down because neither party is willing to be proactive and take the lead. As this pattern continues, it becomes harder to reach out, and you and your significant other drift farther apart. By taking the initiative to buy concert tickets, start a conversation, or make a fun dinner, you can stop this cycle and pull your relationship out of its rut. Number 7, set boundaries. A relationship is a two-way street. Tell your partner honestly what you would like them to do, or not do, then be prepared to accept the boundaries they set for you too. Setting boundaries in a relationship is critical, and yet it can often feel scary and overwhelming. Sometimes we worry that our partner will get mad, or we feel guilty for saying no. Don't let this stop you. Instead, remind yourself that your needs and feelings matter in this relationship. And by making yourself and your needs a priority, you are working to better your relationship and yourself. When we're young, we think of the perfect relationship. Everyone is always smiling and things are going well. Your partner knows exactly what to say and do to make you feel good, and vice versa. Those of us who have been in relationships know better. Couples can and will fight for just about anything. The key is to understand that fighting can help improve relationships. Here's how. Number 1, you will feel better. Letting off steam and expressing your feelings releases tension, anxiety and fear. Not only does this feel better, it is a healthier state when anxiety and stress, with accompanying harmful hormones, are dissipated. This does not mean venting or dumping toxic shit on your partner. Keeping emotions bottled up all the time leads to rigidity of the mind, body and soul. Number 2, you will be more comfortable around one another. The classic sign that a couple is comfortable with each other is when the embarrassing bodily functions fly, even when the other person is in the room. Believe it or not, fighting can actually do the same thing. Couples who fight are not only working out their issues, but also showing each other how they deal with problems. It forces you to talk about yourselves and what you think. By the end of it, you'll know the other person way better than you did before, and vice versa, because both of you will be expressing yourselves, often for the first time. Number 3, you and your partner will restore your sanity. Anger means that you care. Unfortunately, being angry can also drive you insane if you don't express it. Bottling up those kinds of emotions can be dangerous. It can cause you to have irrational thoughts, and eventually you start thinking things that aren't true. Letting out that anger can help reset your insanity button, and get those negative thoughts out of your head. Not fighting and letting those feelings get bottled up is never good. Ever. Number 4, you can stop trying to be perfect. Fighting demonstrates that you are human, and not some perfect angelic being, or that you have the perfect relationship, or that you are above it all. It shows that sometimes you are in a bad mood, are stressed out, or just plain tired. Number 5, intimacy increases. Fighting tells us what is important for our partner, what they don't like, what they want, where their boundaries are, how flexible they are, what hurts them, and what they need to feel better. Discovering these aspects breeds a deeper intimacy and appreciation of the other. Fighting can be a growth process in which your self-understanding and understanding of your partner increases. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it, and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.